and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we've got an exciting new option for the Easy-Stow MI system shown for use in a minivan, this time to lift a walker. The Easy-Stow, as you probably know, is a device that lifts a wheelchair, typically a manual wheelchair or a power wheelchair, in the folding lightweight variant, okay, into the inside of a vehicle. Here we've got a very highly adjustable docking device system so that you can bring the walker or the wheelchair right in, no modifications whatsoever. Snap it in place and you're ready to go. Releasing is a very simple process. Just pick it up, push it right in, and you'll see that these are all aligned. We've got some guides here to keep everything going in the right direction, and everything comes in pretty easy. There are no modifications whatsoever to the vehicle, so you'll see right in here that we're tied into the structure of the vehicle. So there's no drilling holes. We're tied into the bolts in the back here, and there is zero modification to the vehicle. System is highly adjustable so that if you get another walker, it's a little bit different. We may be able to use the system without having to purchase a new docking device. Going inside is super simple. Load it. And in we go. So we can see how everything stows inside here. Okay, so right here, this is where we're actually tied into the structure of the vehicle, but again, we have drilled no holes, no modification whatsoever to the vehicle. And of course, you know, we have a very, very big mobility device going into a very constrained space here. So, back out. You can see that this gas shock right here, this is what actually causes the outward motion. You've got a belt drive system here that actually is what pulls it in. So everything pivots here. When it comes down nice and tight. And locks right into the cradle, and of course your wheelchair or your mobility device is secured while the vehicle is in motion. Okay. Coming back out is nice and simple. Release. Stow. Close the door and you're ready to hit the road. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this detailed video and learn a little bit about the Easy-Stow MI. We're very excited about it. We are glad that you took the time to learn about a new product. If you'd like to learn Access Unlimited, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter at AccessUN. You can follow us. We're on Instagram as Access Unlimited, one word. Pinterest, Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel with over 4,000 videos as of today is at youtube.com/accessun. You can contact us on our website at accessunlimited.com. Give us a call the old-fashioned way, always works, 607-669-4822, country code 1 if you're outside of the United States. And evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for checking out the Easy-Stow MI, shown for use in a walker with a walker, and checking out this technical aspects of this product. We appreciate it. We hope you have a great day, and happy travels.